Hey Chris, I hope you don't mind. There was no parking spaces left, so I just parked inside your car. Chris, what's wrong? You're doing sad guy things.
Dan, I have a problem.
You have a problem?
Yeah, a problem.
Problem?
Problem.
Well, I'll be damned if I'm going to ignore a friend in crisis. Tell me what happened.
My camcorder stopped working.
How'd that happen?
I don't know. I was like sitting on it for only 30 minutes, and now it won't even turn on.
This is quite a pickle.
How on God's green earth am I going to make the best horror sex comedy of all time now?
Fear not, my friend. I might just have a solution. Alright, looks good. All we have left to do now is recite the enchanted incantation.
Do I really have to read this?
It's the only way we can summon him.
Okay. Help me, Daddy.
It's really him.
Who summoned the Fix-It Fairy?
Your lordship, we come before you to ask a most important favor.
Speak!
My camera's broken and I need you to fix it.
And how much does the camera mean to you?
Um,
What would you do to get it back?
well,
Would you get rid of a limb?
maybe like an unimportant one, like a pinky finger?
That sounds a bit small. Now let's get down to business. But first, both of you must drink from this mystery liquid.
Okay, that's definitely urine. I could taste a little blood in there, too.
You have just consumed the fluids of the wicked.
I think this jagoff just admitted to killing people and draining them of their liquid.
Silence! We only have one step left.
Alright.
I knew you were up to something.
Guess my time here's done.